Hi everybody, I just want to explain how the shipping application work. You just go shipping application, you just the scan for for example, just scan the products and you will see all the information related to the scanned the products, and you will see the price list on the calls and IJ and other markets. And when you add your review, you can get the 20 coins extra. You just follow the prompts, and if you want to add your stockhouse, flybys, fullverse, Etihad, or whatever you have, you can add and you can get a 20 coins after that. Or if you have the receipts after you shop, you just scan this receipt and you can get the 16 coins extra for this. Let's try another example of, let's try the clear, and it shows all of the information related to clear, how much is that, and where is the cheapest price, the cost, IJ will versus Big W, and you can get the decent price list on this application. You can save the money. To buy this shipping token, it's Coinbase is already listed the shipping. Timex is listed on shipping tokens. So it's very good application. It's very good team behind this application. It's a very good blockchain technology. It's already proved. So if you want to, then you can add the bodies with your invitation code. I can share under this video to my invitation code if you want to use this application. You can use my invitation code, and you can see this on the top left in the levels, the basic bronze, silver, gold and platinum. And you can see on the middle section, you can see how many points you have, and you can see the equivalent Australian dollar according to your tokens, the shipping balance. You can cash out your tokens. It's monthly $30. You able to get $30 according to your level, $30, $35. If you have basic, you have $5 cash out monthly limit. Thanks for watching, and if you subscribe my channel, I will be happy. Have a nice day. Bye.